Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to come and do a little Amazon / Nail Supply Glamour nail mail video, and I'm super excited to do it because you guys know that my last one I had some good stuff and I wanted to make sure that I did a second order with Nail Supply Glamour because I really enjoyed their Odorless Monomer. So that is the one that I'm going to be using from here on out. It works super well, and of course you guys know that I'm always scouring Amazon. I wanted to come and show you guys everything that I got. So yeah, let's go ahead and hop right into it. It's not going to be too long. I didn't get too much, but you guys know that I had to come and do a haul and show you guys what I got, regardless of how much it was. This is the stuff that I got from Amazon. So I got a little 2-pack of small scissors, and the other pair of scissors, they're actually purple. They're in my nail little kit thing. So those I went ahead and used and put up, but they came in a 2-pack, and this is the second pair, a cute little pink pair. And I got these just to cut different things, like when you're doing your nails, and especially also when you're doing your makeup. You gotta cut your lashes, you gotta cut open packages, you gotta, you know, cut down your nail tips or size up, you know, your full cover nails. So you just never know. So you need a little thing of scissors, and this is how they look. Really little, really cute, perfect for travel, and I love that they come with the little tops. And I also got this little package of hearts. How cute are these? I got these to use for Valentine's Day, and I actually did a Valentine's Day set, but I didn't really like how it came out. And I used the red and the white ones, these two. And they are gorgeous. They're gorgeous little decals, but I just didn't like how the nails came out. But I do love these little hearts, and I had to get them in different colors so I can use them throughout the year. I also got this little kit. It comes with some cuticle clippers and a cuticle pusher and another little tool. I'm not sure what it is. It has like the little X-Acto knife on the end, but I'm not sure what it is. I think it has it has a cuticle pusher on the end as well. So this little set, and I've been using the Cuticle Nippers, and they are so good. They're easy to use. I love that it comes with the cover on the tip. This is how they look. A little daughter, and I think this is like a scraper, I think. And then the little X-Acto end and the cuticle pusher. Haven't used these just yet, but they look really, really good. Also got a 2-pack of the nail little stands when you're making your own press-ons and stuff, and I'm so excited to have these, the ones that are individual. I have the regular little pink stand, all of them are in a row, but I wanted the ones that were individual so that I can pick them up and individually file and buff and decorate the nails. So I'm really excited to have these, and they weren't expensive at all, and I think they have like little magnets on the bottom so they can stick to the stand. So really happy to use these. Cannot wait to make some press-ons. Super excited about this next thing. This is a pack of press-on nails. Now, if you are on social media at all, if you're on Instagram or if you're on TikTok, you know that everyone has been talking about the press-on nails from Amazon. They come in the really short kind and they come in the long ones. I got a pack of the short, and I got a more fall kind of vibe, and I'm actually wearing the purple pair today. And you guys, look how easy peasy this is. It took me 5 minutes to put these on. You guys know I do my own nails, so you guys know I've got tons of KDS glue everywhere. So I literally just grabbed my glue, grabbed the nail file, roughened up my real nail, roughened up the inside of the press-on, and stuck them on with the glue. 5 minutes, and it looks like I literally went to the shop and got like a $40 gel manicure. Like, the shape is on point, the length is on point. I am so obsessed already. I can't wait to get some more pair. And it was perfect because me and Dee had a little quarantine quarantine date night, and this was perfect for that. I didn't have to paint my own nails, I didn't have to make a pair of press-ons, I didn't have to like do any of that. I literally just took them out, picked the color, and stuck them on. 5 minutes. So if you like having your nails done but you just can't seem to find the time, you don't have time to make your own press-ons, or it just might be too much trouble right now, you can't use monomer or whatever it is, definitely check these tab. And I'm also going to talk about these on my TikTok, so make sure that you guys are following me there as well. That link will be, or my username will be down in the description bar, so make sure you guys are following me on TikTok. But yeah, these are popping, and I didn't have to file them. They don't have like that little tab at the end that you have to file off. They're literally ready to go, and they come in so many different colors. I'm obsessed. I can't wait to get some more. And I love this packaging. I love how thin it is. Perfect if you're low on space. Like, look at this. And even when you're done using them, like, you can still use this box. So that is awesome. So let me show you guys all the colors that you get. And this was like 10 bucks. I think it was 10. Yeah, this was like 10 bucks for 8 pairs. So, and they all come individually wrapped. So if you are going to be traveling or going out, you can just pick the color that you want and just carry the little bag with you. You don't have to carry all of them with you. So here is the green pair. Like I said, they come in their own little bag, and you get multiple sizes. So you can definitely get more than one use out of each pack. This is the purple pair that I have on today. Super cute, super perfect, and they're really strong. They're not like weak and brittle and like bent easily, so that's great as well. This is the pretty dark red pair. Love this one. This is a kind of darker blue pair. So pretty. This looks like a mauvey pink kind of pair. A little darker than a mauve, kind of like a rose, a dusty rose pair. This is the nude. You guys know I love this one. This is the black pair, classic. And this is a cute little pink pair. So I've never used a glass file before, but I am excited to see how they work. Like, oh, it's rough at the top. Okay. Oh. So it's the same thing. It's okay, that's cute though. I've never used one of those, but they're really cute. And then you get tons of sheets of the little glue tabs, which I love these. And I think these are perfect for travel. Like if you're traveling, or just in general, if you want to carry around these instead of carrying around actual nail glue, and you don't want it to waste in your purse or anything, or you just don't want to have any types of issues with the nail glue, these are perfect. And they come with like a little film over them, so I think these would be great to travel with and just keep on handy in case your nails pop off and you just want to throw them back on. So these were all of the press-ons, and like I said, I'm definitely going to be getting more. They come in the short, they come in a length shorter than this, and they also come in long coffin. So I think I'm going to go ahead and get a couple of pairs of the long coffin, and I don't know, maybe I'll get some shorter pair, I don't know. But these for now are popping. Okay, so that was everything that I got from Amazon. So let's go ahead and open up my Nail Supply Glamour package. I am so excited because I really enjoy that Odorless Monomer. It's so good. If you are wondering whether you should test it out, I think it's definitely worth a try if you can't use real monomer. I live in an apartment, and so I definitely am excited and very happy that I found a good odorless monomer. It does take a little long to dry, so definitely be aware it doesn't dry as quick as regular monomer. But I think that's actually good for beginners because you have a little bit more time to work with the product and to shape the nail how you want it. So let's start off with this. I got a huge like foot file. I was gonna say foot petty, but I got a huge foot file, and I'm really excited to have this one. I was using the little cheap ones from Dollar Tree, and they just did not do the job. So I really wanted to invest in one of these because this is like all I'm missing when I do my own pedicures at home. Like I have everything else, but I didn't have something to really get the heel of my foot nice and smooth and to get all like the calluses and stuff off. So I'm really happy that I went ahead and got this one, and it's huge, and it's like the washable kind. So I'm really excited to start using this. I got another one of the Odorless Monomers, the same size as last time, you guys. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it down below. So I'm not going to open this one yet, but I did get another one. And I have some left in my other one, but I was like, I cannot run out of this, so let me go ahead and pick up another one. So I also got an acrylic powder from them. This is their Milky White acrylic powder. Can you see it? There you go. This is their Milky White acrylic powder. And I am so excited to finally have this. I love when people have milky white nails. It's just all the rage. It is everything. And I'm super excited to try this. I've seen some pictures and I can't wait. Cannot wait to do my nails with this. Uh-oh. Spilling out a little bit. Okay. So I also got some decals, and I got some Louis Vuitton nail decals. I got some more designer nail decals. These are the YSL ones. I got a 10-pack, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got a 10-pack of KDS glue. So I'm literally good on glue for probably about the next year or two. Like I love this glue so much. And it's affordable on Amazon as well, but she had the 10-pack. It was affordable. I want to say it was like $5, $5 or $6. Either way, it's a 10-pack and I'm good on glue for quite some time. I'm still working on my 5-pack from Amazon. And I think lastly, do I have one more thing? Okay, yeah, so the last two things, I got a pack of nail foils. And I have the snakeskin nail foils from Amazon. I have not gotten a chance to use those. I am so excited to, but I wanted to get some designer nail foils. So these look like the D&Gs, Louis Vuitton, Gucci. I don't know what that is, but it looks really cute, whatever that one is. These look like Gucci here, Nike, some more Gucci's, more Gucci. Just some pretty like tie-dye colors and the Louis Vuitton. So I really want to get more into the foils. They're so pretty when people do sets with them. So I definitely had to grab a pack, and I'm obsessed with these packagings. Like I can't imagine, like once you're done using your foils, you can use this for storage for maybe like your Swarovski crystals or just your rhinestones or anything. Like this is perfect. Okay, and the final thing that I got, is that it? Yeah, so that's the final thing. So this is the last thing that I got, and this is the Nail Supply Glamour Diamond Gel Top Coat. So this is how it looks. I love their packaging. I love how big of a bottle that you get. So you guys know that I love the Beetles base and top coat, and love that one, love it down. But I wanted to try this one because everyone has been talking about how this is one of their favorites and how it's super shiny. So I am excited to use this just because I need to have more top coats that I like besides the Beetles, but I just need more in my life, more variety. So I had to give this one a try because it had great reviews. So that is everything that I got from Amazon and Nail Supply Glamour. Thank you guys so much for joining me for another video. I'm just loving everything about doing my own nails at home, especially these. You cannot beat these. You cannot. So make sure that you guys are definitely checking them out if you're interested. And like I said, make sure to follow me on TikTok because I will be posting them over there as well. So thank you guys so much for joining me for another video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to hit subscribe. We are at like 2,082 subscribers. Like that's insane. So thank you to all of my new subbies. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And make sure to hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment down below, and ring the bell notification button so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on all of my social media outlets. Everything will be down below: Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and TikTok. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.